host here, Jackson, host of the Taste Testing Show. Today we have a very special taste tester. And please give up a hand for Jimmy.
Woo, woo. Yep. Hey, no applause, no applause. Well, as we all know, I am the previous taste tester host.
And he is.
And I'm glad to be back. And as you see, on our first and only episode from the past, Jackson,
Woohoo!
who was our star guest, is now the host.
Always a rising star, as some might say.
So, I'm here to see what he has for us. And let's go into my backstory. So, I grew up as a little kid, like most people, because people are small when they're born. And I was born in an unusual place. A barbershop. My mom was a barbershop person. And so...
That is very odd.
I know. We don't talk about it much.
Okay.
But now it's on TV, so
Now
we do
everyone
talk.
knows that's
Yeah.
watching.
And so I have always been hosting to my new ideas to the people that get their hair cut by my mom. So
Oh yeah, by the way, let me interrupt here. These are the same Dr. Peppers we used a long time ago in our first ever show.
okay. Well, that's pretty much my backstory.
Okay, let me ask you one question.
Mhm.
So, when did you grow your adult knees? Because you had kid knees, but when did you grow your adult knees?
Well, I don't know actually. Somewhere around 1 year old to 30 years old.
I grew my adult knees at the age of 102. Right now, I am 212. How old are you?
I am 311.
Wow, 99 years older than me. You can make it to 500. I believe in you.
I believe in me too.
Okay, now let's check out what we are going to be taste testing today.
So first, we have these chips in a bag. Chips. Which have come out
all dressed.
of this bag.
Cool chips you got there.
Yeah.
Ruffles, by the way.
Yeah. Ruffles, they're Canadian. All dressed. And then we have
Duvaline, I think. I'm not good at my Spanish. Neither is he. And he never will. So, yeah. And then for our finale, we have the
syrup.
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 Let's back it up to get it all right.
Perfect.
We have the cherry Dr. Pepper syrup, the Kroger
original
syrup, and the Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel is known for their breakfast, so they should have good syrup. If not, that would be a disappointment.
As you can see, I gave you a close-up look because you have probably never seen that before.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
Now, should we get on to the show?
I think we should.
Okay. So first,
Starting up with the
chips.
chips.
So, on the package, this is what the full bag looks like. Unfold it. That's pretty much the whole bag. All dressed. So let's see how dressed they are, and if they're naked or not.
Are they dressed nice or
is their fashion
non-dressed?
out of date?
They might be out of date. You never know.
So, if you take a look, they seem pretty dressed. And you can smell it.
Mhm.
They have a strong smell.
Barbecue.
Yes.
He is shaking his head, looking away. from the camera, thinking about the taste.
It has
Still.
a distinct taste. It's kind of like salt and vinegary
Nice use of that word distinct.
and like barbecue. If you mix those two, it's kind of what you would get.
Well, that is a very good description, folks. And now, we will try out the whatever this is after this commercial break. Ooh, look, these fingerboard fidget toys.
They're back.
They're back. Your childhood toys can now be your child's toy.
Go down and buy online at 555-335-677-11-721
Skateboard.
Call now and buy one and get 0 free.
And now, back to the show.
Okay.
Okay, let's check out this new, well, I don't know if it's new or not, but this strange candy.
This seems to be a Mexican candy because it just seems like that. So let's.
It
open
says
up.
hazelnut and vanilla on the package.
There seems to be no spoon.
So, shall we
We
get
shall
a spoon?
use our pinky fingers.
Or should we go get a spoon and I can keep them entertained?
No.
Okay, first we try out the vanilla. Is it good? Let's get your opinion on it. Now, you should try out the hazelnut.
It's
part.
very vanilla-y. Definitely like a chocolate vibe.
Okay, now I'll mix it both.
That's not a very even mix. I get some more of that.
There.
Yeah, even. Nom nom.
Okay, so how does it taste? This is what it looks like, by the way.
It tastes odd.
That is a very good description of it. It kind of looks odd, but you know, I'm not judging.
I would recommend this to adventurous eaters out there.
Very adventurous.
I see you, little Timmy.
Little Timmy, if you're watching this, you can do it.
Try the Duvalian thing.
Duvaline. B Sabor.
The Duvalian.
Not sponsored
Okay.
by Mountain Dew.
Now, it is time
For
our
the finale. Dun, 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 dun.
Hang on.
You-
Just one moment.
Technical difficulties. Not really technical, but yeah. Our taste tester is having troubles.
Okay. So first, let's see what this looks like on a plate.
No way.
As you can see, it is brand new and unopened.
You still have a little bit of that Duvaline on your fingers.
Do?
Yeah, I saw. Do you need a little help? Great job at opening that syrup. Your elbow just got really close to my nose.
I am sorry about that. Or am I? Look at that lid.
What lid?
That lid. Well, the
No
paper
way.
lid.
It's paper.
Kind of.
Who would have known?
It's very sticky. Can you
You're
give me-
sticky.
Can you give me a napkin, please?
Napkins. New improved napkins.
Of the future.
Futuristic napkins. Get them at your local store. Where you can also get your fingerboards. Don't forget.
Fingerboards.
Fidget toys.
And this time, Fingerboards have decided to sponsor us.
Yes, they have.
At the end, we will give a shout out.
Shout out. At the end. Don't forget. So keep watching.
Okay.
Yeah. You will make a mess if you keep on doing stuff like that.
I will try not to. As you can see, that there is a dent. No,
I am a pro shaker. Let me shake it up.
I don't think you really need. Okay. Okay.
I don't think it moved at all.
Ooh.
Ah.
Ooh. Ah!
Ah.
Okay. So, on this side.
And the crowd goes wild.
Whoa, that's actually really cool design.
Whoa! Look at that design.
Get a close up.
Hey, don't spread it too much, or we're gonna need room for that other stuff. You know.
So there's that one.
It looks
Messy.
yes. It looks very sticky.
Now for the Kroger original.
The original syrup that you all know and love. Hopefully, love. Do we need separation wall?
No, we're good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you positive?
I'm positive.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
You're sure about that?
I am sure. Okay.
Are you sure?
I don't know. I'm just joking. So now, the Cracker Barrel, which
No
I have
way.
tasted myself, and it's amazing.
You heard it here first, folks. It's amazing.
Look at that.
We need a
Oh
wall.
no!
Wall.
No!
Wall.
No! They're gonna connect.
Wall.
Wait, no! It's fine. They're not connecting.
Wall.
Okay.
Wall. We might need wall.
Okay.
Wall.
No, not yet. Hey. Let's not be Donald Trump.
We're gonna need a wall.
No walls yet. No. Calm down, host. It's okay.
No.
Okay. So now, which one shall we taste first?
Dr. Pepper! Original! Cracker Barrel! Cracker Barrel! Cracker Barrel!
Original! Cracker Barrel,
Mountain Dew! Whoever
Well-
said Mountain Dew, you're
Dumb.
dumb.
Well, now, let's just try the Dr. Pepper first.
Wall.
No, not yet.
It's shaking. We
Fine,
needed
we'll
wall.
do the wall. He's crazy.
So
Okay.
are you?
Well, that's very thick.
It is sticking to your pinky.
I can tell.
Cool. He's thinking about it, nodding his head very slightly, licked his pinky again.
Meh.
Meh.
Let me just make sure I get the full taste.
Decent.
I
Do
can.
you need a little more?
No.
Do you have anything to
Yes.
clear your palate?
So, no, not to clear my palate. I'm fine.
Are you sure? That'll work.
I can taste the cherry. The cherry is very strong. But
That is one strong cherry.
But the Dr. Pepper is very faint. So it's not a very good mixture. You want the cherry and the Dr. Pepper.
You need their strength to be balanced because you can't have a
See?
cherry that can pick up 200 pounds
This
and
is
then a
balanced.
Dr. Pepper that can only pick up 2 pounds.
Now let's try the original.
It did not look as thick.
This
as
is
the
not
cherry.
as thick. Tastes pretty average.
Average, he says, is meh
Let
equal
me,
to
let
average.
me pour a little bit more of this because it's kind of drained out.
See, I told you we needed a wall, but you didn't listen.
The wall sucked it all up.
Because if it didn't, it would have mixed in with the original. That one did not seem very thick whatsoever. Is it sweet?
It is
Tangy?
sweet. It's not tangy.
Crackery?
No.
Barrel-y?
No.
Oh yeah, I forgot to ask you, what's your favorite foods?
The food kind.
Do you like cabinets? Cabinets are one of my faves.
Actually, I've never tried cabinet.
Well, there's one right there if you want to try.
Maybe next time.
Part 3 question mark.
Well, let's see what the answer is.
After this commercial. Oh, new fingerboards that aren't new. You can do a little. You can do a kickflip. You can do a launch. You can do a Oh yeah, we still have the same colors as we did like 300 years ago.
Hashtag colors.
Green. Okay, let's get back to the show.
So the winner is. Wait, no, I should announce third place first.
Oh yeah.
Third place, unsurprisingly,
Taking the bronze medal is the Cherry Dr. Pepper syrup.
and so now it is between these two.
Which one will he pick? The original, the one that you all know and love, or the Crackly Barrel?
Now may I have a drum roll, please? The winner is the Crackly Barrel syrup.
Take that, original! You're too original! God!
Okay. Now I would explain, but I don't feel like it.
Now, let's read the box.
No.
This is not a box. 100% pure syrup.
Now that will be the end, folks.
It was very barrel.